Good morning, students. In our last class, we heard the story of Operation Blackbeard. I hope all of you understood what the story is about. Now, time for question and answer. In comprehension section, your first question is objective. And when you will read this chapter carefully at least 2 times, you can easily solve all the objective questions. So, you will have to solve question number A by yourself. Now, question number B. Your first question is, what did Nawab Rangili tell the children? बच्चों से क्या कहा? कौन सी कहानी? मैंने बताया था टाइगर वाली. Nawab Rangili told the children the story of his tiger hunt in a boasting manner. Now, question number 2. What did Sher Singh tell Nawab Rangili? शेर सिंह ने नवाब रंगीले से क्या कहा? शेर सिंह told Nawab Rangile that last night 4 houses, including his, were robbed by bandit Bhutnath. Second question, शेर सिंह ने नवाब रंगीले से क्या कहा? शेर सिंह told Nawab Rangile that last night 4 houses, including his, were robbed by bandit Bhutnath. Now, question number 3. What challenge did Nawab Rangile accept and why? Nawab Rangile accepted the challenge to catch Nawab Rangile accepted the challenge that he could catch Bhutnath, the bandit, because he was the only brave heart among villagers. Now, question number 4. What happened in the jungle? In the jungle, Nawab scampered up the tree, scampered up the same tree to protect himself, whose bandit Bhutnath had also chosen to get some sleep. उसी पेड़ को नवाब ने चुना अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, जिस पेड़ के नीचे भूतनाथ सोने की कोशिश कर रहा था, आराम करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. नाउ क्वेश्चन 4. Crafty plan did Bhutnath think of? In this question, there is 2 parts. First part is, what crafty plan did Bhutnath think of? And the second part is, did he succeed in his plan? The answer is, Bhutnath thought of a crafty plan to steal the Begum's jewelry. Yes, he succeeded in his plan and stole jewelry box. Now question number 6. How did Begum Rangili guess Lalu ji identity? कैसे पहचाना? Begum Rangili guessed Lalu ji identity because she had never seen a sweet seller with a hard, threatening face like him. Question number 7. What was Begum Rangili's plan? Begum Rangili's plan was to serve adulterated dish to Bandit Bhutnath so that he will slip and be caught. Now, question number 8. How did Nawab Rangili foil his wife's plan to catch the bandit? नवाब ने अपनी पत्नी के जो प्लान की थी वो पकड़ने के लिए बैंडिट को, डाकू को, उसको कैसे छिन्न भिन्न कर दिया? नवाब रंगीले foiled his wife's plan to catch the bandit because he served unadulterated dish to him and took adulterated dish for himself and his wife. Now, sorry. Question number C in comprehension section. C1. Do you think Nawab Rangile was a brave man? Support your answer with examples. The answer is Nawab Rangile was somewhat a brave man because he did odd jobs like catching criminals. But he was not a brave man as a whole because when he had to go to jungle to catch bandit Bhutnath, he just hid himself under the bed and told his wife to tell a lie to his friend Sarah when he comes to fetch him. Now, question number 2. Nawab Rangile prided himself on being a Nawab. Was it true? And was he is a commoner in the village or its crowned ruler? Nawab Rangile somewhat prided himself on being a Nawab because with time not only did the princely lifestyle fade away, but also the world around him vanished finally. Now, he was a commoner in the village and did odd jobs like selling eggs and catching criminals. Now, question number 3. Who did you think was cleverer of the two? The Nawab or his Begum? अब क्या सोचते हैं, दोनों में कौन चालाक थे, नवाब या उसकी बेगम? And why do you think so? आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Now, Nawab was not as clever as his Begum because when she served halwa puri in 2 plates in which one was adulterated with sleeping pills was for भूतनाथ. नींद की गोली जिसे मिलाई गई थी वो एक्चुअली भूतनाथ के लिए था. But Nawab just took it for himself without thinking of his Begum's plan. After eating adulterated dish, both of them means he and his Begum, both of them were soon fast asleep. And Bhutnath robbed jewelry box. अगर नवाब चालाक होते तो वो बेगम की प्लान को कुछ समझते, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं, ठीक उल्टा हो गया. Now, in next class, we will see vocabulary section. Thank you.